I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've forgotten your Snapchat password and need to recover it on the web, follow these steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Go to the Snapchat login page. Visit the Snapchat website and click on the login button. This will take you to the login screen where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Your Password link and click on it. This will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Choose Recovery Method. You will be prompted to choose how you want to receive your password reset link, either via email or SMS. Select your preferred method and click Continue. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. If you chose email, look for a message from Snapchat in your inbox. If you selected SMS, check your phone for a text message. Click the link provided to reset your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Before starting recovery, use the AirShrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you don't want to see the email or SMS, check your spam folder or ensure your phone number is correct in your account settings. Good luck getting back into your Snapchat.